Okay guys, ever wanted a clean way to highlight your product features or services in a grid layout without it looking cluttered or overwhelming? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely organized and premium. Today we're adding this feature card section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link, this takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Feature Cards. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Forma Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type SK Feature Cards, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly and its settings open up on the left side. First option here gives us 3 different layouts. You can use whichever one you like. I'll go with the first one. Below that comes the heading eyebrow color and text colors. Adjust these however you want. After that is the text size for both desktop and mobile. Below that is the width. I'll set that to max. Right below that are the card settings. Things like top, bottom, left, right padding, background color, and height. After that comes the card label and heading text colors, and font sizes for both mobile and desktop. Last in the section settings is the image size and lazy load image option. I'll just leave that on. Now let's close this and click on any card, and its settings open up on the left side. Here you'll find the label, the title, and below that a link option, wherever you want to send your users when they click. And at the very bottom is a custom image option, where I can add any icon I want, like this one. But if you don't want to add a custom image, you can also link a product or a collection instead. Totally up to you. I'll go ahead and customize all the cards one by one the same way, and here's the final result. Once you're done, hit save and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.